Hello guys, welcome to today's video. Today we are going to be talking about Social Engineering Toolkit. This is one of the simplest but most complicated hacks you find in our day-to-day life. So I'll first of all give you a broad concept of what social engineering is, and we're going to move into the hands-on. There are so many different tools you can use in phishing, but in these tutorials we're going to focus on Set Toolkit, which is pre-installed in Kali Linux. In the videos ahead or in the tutorials we'll be dropping ahead, I'll show you how to use other third-party tools like GoFisher, like the famous Black Eye tool, and many other tools. But in this video, let's focus on phishing email using Set Toolkit. Think about real phishing. Fisherman uses bait to catch fish. The fish sees something tasty and bites the hook. Phishing works the same way online. Bad people send messages that look real to trick you into clicking it. So in these tutorials, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide how an attacker is going to perform this hack and how you can protect yourself from such malicious attacks. Everything you learn from this video is for educational purposes. Do not use any knowledge gotten from this video to trick or fish anybody, be it your family members or friends. Make sure you do it with exclusive permissions. First, head over to your Kali Linux. If you don't have Kali Linux running yet, make sure you check the playlist on this channel, the Kali Linux playlist, to install Kali Linux. There's a step-by-step video on how you can install Kali Linux, or you can click the link above this video. At the end of this video, I'm going to tag the link at the top of the video. You can just click it to watch how to install Kali Linux. You have to do that first before coming back to this hands-on. For those who have Kali Linux running already, just open your terminal. Open your terminal and make sure you have root privileges by running sudo su. You'll be prompted to put your password. Make sure you input the same password you used in logging into Kali Linux. It's not going to display, so just write the password and hit. Once you have this interface, once you have logged into your Kali Linux and you have this interface, the next thing you need to do is launch the tool you want to use, which is Set Toolkit. Just write Set Toolkit and hit enter. You'll see this now. There's a lot here to understand, but I'm going to focus on what this video is all about, which is social engineering attacks. So I'm going to choose one and hit enter. Next, there are so many different social engineering attacks here, but we're looking for one which is website attacks. So we're going to go with option 2 and hit enter. Now, what particular attack do we want to do on the website is credential harvesting. You see different attacks, right? But let's focus on what we're doing, which is 3 credential harvesting, and hit enter. Do you want a web template? Do you want to clone a site, or do you want a custom import? Let's go with 2 by cloning a site, because in this video we're going to be phishing the boss, the CEO of GreyX Labs, which is GreyX Labs is the sponsor of this video, by the way. Is one of the biggest cyber security academy in Africa right now, and we are going to be dropping free and very cheap courses on their website soon. I'll be dropping the link to the website soon in the videos ahead, but for now we are trying to clone the boss of GreyX Labs. So we want to send him a phishing email without knowing, thinking it's from LinkedIn, because we're going to be cloning LinkedIn. So we're taking option 2, which is site cloner. Hit enter. Now they're asking you for the domain name, the IP address you want to use, the IP address you're going to send to your target, because your target needs to know this is coming from a legit source before clicking on it, right? So in a real-time social engineering attack, you're supposed to get a domain name very close to the company you're pen testing. Normally you have the permissions to, right? So that you have to trick the users to see, the employees to see if they will click on that link. But this is for demo, so I'm going to use my default IP address. I'm just going to hit enter so that I go with my default IP address. Now I need to enter the URL of the site I want to clone. Remember, we are cloning the login page of LinkedIn, so you just write linkedin.com/login. After that, you hit enter. When you hit enter, it's going to clone this particular page into our IP address. You see, cloning the website, HTTP login, the LinkedIn login page. Now it's ready. We just need to send our email with our link embedded, and whatever the target types in their login form, we're going to receive that. Let's try it. I created a new LinkedIn page for this tutorial. This is the LinkedIn page I created. So we're going to paste our IP address here, which is supposed to be your domain name as well. You now see, right, we have the LinkedIn login page, but it's not running from the LinkedIn official website. It's running from our IP address because it's hosted in our local server. Let me just put in my credentials like our target would normally log in, depending on how real your email is. Okay, this was not the password. Let me just put the password again. This is the password I'm using to log in. So let's see if we're going to get this email and the password in our terminal. Now we have been logged in into LinkedIn and redirected to the original LinkedIn website. Let's go back to our terminal and see if we got the credentials. You need to look carefully because they are normally supposed to, errors will come out, right? You see, this is our email. This is the session key. We have the email. Let's look for the password. The password should be somewhere down. Yours might not display the same like mine. Now I see the password. You see here, right? We have the password as access to admin. Now we have full access to his LinkedIn. We can log in into his LinkedIn page and we do anything we want to do. This is how easy somebody can trick you into giving your credentials. So this was just one section of phishing. We have many other third-party tools that you can use, but we're just going to take it gradually, one step at a time. But this is how easy. This is the old method of using phishing email. Don't forget to click, for those who don't have Kali Linux yet, click the link above. Click this playlist above. You're going to see Kali Linux installation video. Follow the step-by-step guide to install Kali Linux before you do this project. And if you love this video and want more videos on social engineering, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification button so that whenever I drop a video, you will be notified. See you in the next video.